Hello everyone and welcome to another Referrizer tutorial. Today I will show you how to change the subscription status of one of your customers. You can do this both from the inbox or from the contact section. Let's go over how to do it from the inbox first. On the left-hand side, find the inbox. Once you're in the inbox, find the specific customer you would like to edit the subscription status for. Now, if a customer replies stop, they will be automatically unsubscribed. To do this manually, on the right side of your screen, you will see some basic information regarding your customer. Click on View More Properties. This takes you to their internal profile page. Once here, next to their name, click on the little hamburger menu. From the drop-down menu, click the Manage Subscription button. Here, you can edit the subscription status for both email and text. Let's change the text subscription status. Change it up and click Save. Now let's go over how to do it from the contacts. On the left-hand side, find the Contacts tab. This will bring up your whole contacts list. To find a specific person, go to the Search Contacts box on the right side and find the person who you'd like to edit. Click on them and the process is the same. From the hamburger drop-down menu, click Manage Subscriptions and change it up. Once finished, click Save. And that's it. Hope this helped.